Jake, your HASA resident pool expert, and before you dive in, let's talk about how to keep your pool clean
all season long.
When it comes to pool water, contaminants can come from a variety of sources. Whether it's a windy day, blowing debris into the water, or lots of swimmers enjoying a pool party, it's really important to keep your water clean and safe for swimming. One of the most important things that you can do for your pool to keep it clean and clear is to routinely shock it. You might be wondering what it means to shock a pool. Essentially, it's a process where higher amounts of chlorine are added to the water to chemically break down and remove contaminants through oxidation. And while most types of chlorine can do the job, liquid chlorine is the best choice for many reasons.
Shocking is a term, it's more of a generic term. It could be called superchlorinating, hyperchlorinating, reaching chlorine breakpoint. But essentially what you're doing is you're putting enough chlorine into the water to oxidize out very stubborn contaminants and really sparkle up that pool. So if you want that diamond sparkle in the pool, you get that through oxidizing. And you can do that with chlorine or even a non-chlorine shock.
First of all, liquid chlorine is safe and reacts immediately in the water, making it a very powerful and effective choice for shocking the pool. Plus, unlike other forms of chlorine, liquid chlorine doesn't add any unwanted byproducts or fillers like additional cyanuric acid, stabilizer, or calcium. This makes it the strongest and purest type of chlorine available, making it the preferred choice for homeowners, resorts, and pool service pros. With its fast-acting formula, liquid pool chlorine will quickly and efficiently take the pool water from dull to crystal clear blue, making it safe and inviting for swimmers of all ages. If you want to keep your pool water crystal clear all season long, it's recommended to shock your pool every week, and use HASA Sani-Clor liquid chlorine is the best choice. Go down to your local pool store for expert help or hire a pool service pro. To learn more about the water treatment solutions we've discussed today, visit HASA.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv.